Hey, what's up everybody, this is Sarah from the Technical Services window, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create and use Proxy Media in Premiere Pro. Proxy Media is helpful when you are editing high-res footage that has trouble playing back on your computer because your hard drive or the speed of your network cannot deliver that amount of data fast enough. Proxy files are a lower data rate copy of the original file, which makes it easier to play back. So if you're noticing that your playback of your footage is shrubby or laggy like this, using proxies in Adobe Premiere might be your solution to smoother playback. There are two ways to create proxies in Premiere. The first, as if you already imported footage, you can create proxies later. You can do this by selecting any clip or clips that you want to make proxies for in the project window. Then right-click or control-click for Mac on the icon for one of the selected clips. In the menu that appears, hover over proxy to click on Create Proxies. In the Create Proxies window, we are going to first select the Format and Preset option. For Format, we choose the QuickTime option, and for Preset, the ProGlass Low Resolution option. If you need a lower data rate file, you can choose one of the H.264 presets. Next, we need to tell Premiere where we want to save the proxy files. We recommend choosing next to Original Media in Proxy folder, as this will save your proxies in the same location as the original footage, but in the Proxy folder, making it easy to find the proxy files if needed. Then you can click OK. You will notice that Adobe Media Encoder will launch. Let it open and complete the encoding process. Once it's complete, we need to set up Premiere to be able to switch between the original and the proxy footage. In order to switch between the two, we have to add the Toggle Proxies tool on the toolbar in both the source and program monitors. To do this, click on the plus sign at the bottom right corner of the source window. Then click and drag the Toggle Proxies button down onto the toolbar in the source window. Repeat these steps for the program monitor. Click the plus button, then click the drag the Toggle Proxies button down onto the program monitor toolbar. To switch your viewing proxy footage, click on the Toggle Proxies button so it turns blue. When it is blue, you are viewing the proxy footage. Your playback should be smoother with proxies enabled. To switch back to the full res version of your footage, click on the Toggle Proxies button again. The icon will turn gray, indicating you are viewing the full res version. The second way to create proxies is to create them while you import your footage. To create proxies or an input, click on the media browser in the project window and click on the Ingest checkbox. This should open the project settings window. If not, click on the wrench to the right of the ingest. In the project settings window, make sure that the ingest settings tab is selected. Next, make sure the box next to ingest is checked. Then select Create Proxies from the drop-down menu. For the preset, choose the ProGlass Low Resolution proxy or whatever will be best for you. Next, choose where you want to save your proxy files. If you choose Same as Project, Premiere will put the proxies in the same location as your project file. Since we typically suggest creating a media folder for all your footage to go in, we recommend in this case select and choose location. Navigate to the media folder where your original footage is and create a new folder for proxies. Click on the Choose button to select that location. Now all your proxy files will be saved in the same folder location as your original media, but inside the proxy folder. The summary below will show you where the proxies will be stored, and what preset you used, and what the parameters of the preset are, including the resolution and audio quality. Click OK after you made all the desired selection. Now any footage that is imported into Premiere will automatically have proxy created. Thanks for watching, and as always, be sure to subscribe to the TSW YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Goodbye and have a good day.